I'm gonna apply some highlight from this palette. I know it's not a highlighter, but you know, we need some shimmer on the cheeks. Ooh, that's better. Finally, we're looking glowy and shimmery. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I will try not to smile. This lipstick, like, it's coming on my teeth all the time because I have like a gloss. I'm gonna try not to smile. I'm gonna be as serious as possible. So this video is very exciting for me because finally I've tried MANIC PANIC makeup products that are actually selling in their website. And as you know already, I've done before in the past MANIC PANIC videos, but I did my hair. I dyed with their famous colors my hair. Yeah, this time they asked me to do a makeup tutorial with them, and I'm very excited because I finally tried their Amplified eyeshadow palette, which is really awesome. First of all, the packaging is just, this is my style, like it's like a very street style, very cool I will say. And the colors inside is also very beautiful colors, especially for Valentine's Day. You have a lot to choose. I decided today to do this Valentine's inspired, like more like evening look if you go out, something like that. So yeah guys, I really hope you're gonna enjoy this makeup tutorial. I don't know why everything is so dark today, but oh well, I feel a bit vampy today. By the way, let me know also what you think about MANIC PANIC makeup if you have tried already, because for me so far my favorite was definitely foundation. First of all, it was looking really good on the skin, like super good, and it gives a really good coverage. I was liking the pressed powder, which also gives that matte finish, and it also airbrushes the skin, and it also like melts together with the foundation so nicely, and I just love the finish from this powder. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to achieve this Vampy Valentine's Day makeup look, please keep on watching. First of everything, just a sexy hair flip. So I'm gonna start with my foundation. Today I'm gonna use the MANIC PANIC Vampyre's Whale Flawless Foundation. It's a very water-based foundation. It is a bit like thick, but it's super watery once you blend it in the skin. And what I was really shocked, it gave a really nice soft finish, like it was not visible on the skin, yet it gave a really good coverage for my skin, and I was actually shocked. And I'm gonna just conceal a little bit my face like usually. I'm gonna use my regular lately favorite Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm gonna just blend everything with my big ass beauty blender. And of course, after blending all this face, we just need to have a little pause of coffee, and I'm gonna set everything with this MANIC PANIC Vampyre's Whale pressed powder. I'm gonna use the shade Moonlight, yeah. And also with the powder, I was actually really shocked. The coverage was really good, and it was looking really good on the skin. It was not looking dry at all. And I'm gonna just contour my skin with the INGLOT HD powder. All the products I'm using actually gonna be listed down below, so if you're interested, check down below. And I'm also gonna contour a little bit on my nose like usually I do, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this Guyliner in the shade Nefertiti, which is actually meant for, I think, guys' beards, but I decided to try it as an eyebrow pencil, and it was working so amazing. It was super creamy, yet it was like a wax working, also setting them in the place, you know. And yeah, for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use today the Amplified palette by MANIC PANIC, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this kind of shimmery highlighting shade. It's really beautiful, like a bone color shimmer. And I'm gonna move on to this red color, and I'm gonna use as a very light transition shade, yet blend it like in my outer portion of my eye. And you just want to go very lightly as you work your way up to make it like a very, you know what I mean, you have to blend it so many times till you get this transition. I'm gonna do the famous half cut crease
Of course, that's the easiest way to make your makeup stand out, really. And I'm gonna just conceal with a concealer like this I mean, it takes a bit time to do this. I know it's a bit difficult, but trust me, practice makes perfect. I'm still not even perfect in this kind of technique, but I'm trying. And I'm gonna take the same bone shimmer color and just fill in that concealer portion of my eye. Then I'm gonna take the red color again and just blend the edges of that both colors when they collide, so it's more like the transition goes very smooth and seamless, if you know what I mean. And I'm gonna use this MANIC PANIC Glitter Eye Endurance Long Wearing Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Starry Night. I gotta say, this is probably the most comfortable brush I ever did eyeliner, because the shape is really weird. Anyways, the end of this eyeliner is just beautiful. It has like a shimmer glitter kind of. I'm gonna just continue with the mascara. I'm gonna use the MANIC PANIC mascara. This is in Raven. And yeah, I'm gonna continue my lower lash line by blending the red color, the same I used before. Just really smoke it out like you will usually smoke out your lower lash line. I know, the way I explain the makeup application is ridiculous. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying. Then I'm gonna choose this like a bit dark, very dark purple shade, and just also smoke the lower lash line very tight to the waterline. Yes, that's the word. And of course apply again the mascara. By the way guys, I also forgot to mention to you that all the MANIC PANIC makeup, same as the hair colors, are also all cruelty free, all vegan products. So if you're about that life, you know where to go. And here I just felt like I want to darken up a little bit the outer part of my eyes, because I felt like my eyes look a bit sleepy. I used the same purple color for that. And then I'm gonna apply some false lashes. These are in Sin City from MANIC PANIC. Very nice lashes for every day, for glam. Very long yet wispy. Wispy. And then I'm gonna take that red color again and a little bit between that darker and lighter color, so there's like a nice transition. For my inner corner shimmer, I'm gonna use this Coffin Dust in Hemlock, also from MANIC PANIC. It's like an iridescent color. My lipstick, I'm gonna use the Glam Nation High Voltage color in Black Rose. And to top it and make it a bit more glossy, I'm gonna use the what is this? A Lethal Lips, like a liquid gloss in the shade Black Rose, also the same. And that's about it guys for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this MANIC PANIC full face, almost full face makeup look. Let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!